Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be diving into some of the most essential Windows keyboard shortcuts that will help boost your efficiency and make the use of your computer much easier and smoother. The shortcuts we'll be covering in this video will be useful for both files and folders. Then you can also use them when editing text. So let's get started. First, let's cover the basics. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+X, Ctrl+V. These copy, cut and paste. You probably know them, but are you using them enough? Let's see what they do. Let's try copying file A and paste it to the desktop. We shall press Ctrl+C, come to the desktop, Ctrl+V, and our file is successfully pasted here. Next, let's try moving file B to the desktop. We shall use Ctrl+X to cut, come to the desktop, Ctrl+V to paste. You can see it was successfully moved. Then a quick way to fix mistakes, we have Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y. Ctrl+Z undoes what our previous action was. Our previous action here was moving file B from this folder to the desktop. If you want to undo that, you can just press Ctrl+Z. Come to the desktop, Ctrl+Z, and Ctrl+Y. Ctrl+Y will help us redo our previous action. Let's try it out and see what happens. Ctrl+Y. The file has moved back to the desktop. You don't have to go through the whole process of copying, pasting, cutting. As long as you've done it, you can just use those two to fix the mistakes. Next, we have the Alt+Tab. This switches through the different open applications. Let us try opening file B, so file A. So if you're on file A and you just want to switch to file B, you can just press Alt+Tab. Next on the list, we have the Windows+D. What does this do? Let's try it out. Let's say you have many applications open at the same time and you want to get to the desktop. You don't have to close or minimize one by one. You can just press Windows+D. Now let's make navigating Windows quicker and easier. We have the Windows plus the arrow keys. This helps us snap windows to different sections of the screen for better multitasking. Let's try out with our files. If I press the Windows plus the right arrow, it will be snapped to the right. So you can use the split screen by using the arrows. You can have file A on the right and file B on the left. If you want to maximize your productivity, the next set of shortcuts will give you more control. So let's jump right into. We have the Ctrl+Shift+Escape. This opens up the task manager instantly. Let's try it out on the desktop. Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Next on the list, we have the Windows+R. Opens the Run dialog box for quick access to system tools. Let's try it out. Windows+R. Alt+Functional key 4 helps close the current window. Let's try it out in these files. So open file, if I press Alt+F4 to close instantly. Alt plus F4 closes instantly. And last is Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. That restarts your graphics driver. So let's try it out, and Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B. And there you have it. These keyboard shortcuts will help save you time and boost your efficiency. Try them out and let us know which was your favorite in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.